In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp profile info connecting problem. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. So launch settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget it, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Next, allow all the permission for WhatsApp. For that, scroll down and navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Now allow all the permission for WhatsApp. Next up, clear cache for the WhatsApp. Go back to the main page of settings. Go to General, go to iPhone Storage. Now find WhatsApp and launch it. Now click on a Floor app. Click on a Floor app to confirm it. Wait for a few minutes and then click on Reinstall app. With these, your problem might be resolved. Lastly, what you want to do is check for the updates for the app WhatsApp. For that, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app WhatsApp. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. And that's it. With these, your problem will be fixed. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.